Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard social class video session, lesson 4, knowing my country, India. In today's session, we are going to learn more detail about the state Karnataka. It is located in southwestern region of India. Its capital city is Bangalore. Let us go into the session.
In this session, we are going to learn more detail about the state Karnataka. Karnataka is a state which is located in southernmost part of India with Arabian Sea coastlines. It is the largest state in South India and 7th largest in India. It was formed on 1st November 1956 with the passage of the States Reorganization Act. Originally known as the State of Mysore, it was renamed Karnataka in 1973. Karnataka is bordered by the Arabian Sea to the west, Goa to the northwest, Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh to the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, and Kerala to the south. It is the only southern state to have land borders with all of the other 4 southern Indian sister states. Bangalore, officially known as Bengaluru, is the capital of the Indian state of Karnataka. It has a population of over 10 million, making it a megacity and the 3rd populous city and the 5th most populous urban city in India. It is located in southern India on the Deccan Plateau. Bangalore is famous being the Silicon Valley of the India. Karnataka's capital city is a well-known IT hub and some of the world's major corporations operate out of the city. Apart from MNCs, Bangalore is also home to many startups and Indian tech companies. Bangalore experiences a pleasant weather throughout the year because of its high elevation. The city experiences distinct wet and dry spells with the occasional heat waves during the summer and the cool winter breeze. Some of the important cities in Karnataka are Mangalore, Mysore, Hubli, and Gulbarga. Mangalore is an Arabian Sea port and a major commercial center in the Indian state of Karnataka. Mysore, a city in Indian southwestern Karnataka state, was the capital of the Kingdom of Mysore from 1399 to 1947. The name Mysore brings the image of its royal foundations in one's mind. One of South India's famous tourist destinations, Mysore is known for its royal heritage and magnificent buildings and monuments. Apart from palaces, Mysore is also popular for its sweets, silks, and sandalwood. Mysore is also known as the Garden City or the City of Palaces and has also earned the nickname Astanga City. Hubli is a city in the South Indian state of Karnataka. Gulbarga is a city in the Indian state of Karnataka. It is the administrative headquarters of Gulbarga districts and is the largest city in the Hyderabad Karnataka region of North Karnataka. Next, let us learn some of the places of interest visit to Karnataka. They are Pantipur National Park, hill stations of Chikmagalur and Hampi. Important crops which is famous in Karnataka are rice, ragi, sugarcane, areca nut, sunflower and sesame. Traditional food of Karnataka are dosa, uppattu, pandikari, ragi roti, vangibadam, idli. Let us learn the traditional dress of Karnataka. The traditional dress of the women is a cotton or silk saree, while men wear lungi with a shirt and an angavastram. Kannada is a Dravidian language spoken predominantly by the people of Karnataka in southwestern region of India. Folk dances in Karnataka are Sugi Gunita, Yakshagana, Bhuta Arandani. Now let us learn handicraft which is famous in Karnataka are stone carving, doll making, Mysore painting, ivory carving and sandalwood craft.
I hope you all got clear information about the state Karnataka. Thank you. Have a nice day.